Ah,
All right, so I'm recording now. Let me switch back to it. Put the little arrow here again. The one title is Basketball Camp for Kids.
mhm.
And we put, you know, whatever city you're in, Park District.
Oh,
Coachella Park District. Palm Springs Park District. La Quinta Park District. Oh, I think it's just one.
perrito.
It's a county park district for everybody. So this is the theme that we use. It's called Ion Boardroom. And then we use a variant, orange variant. So start blank new one, just do it pretty quick so we can continue all together. So that's slide number 1. And then slide number 2. 1 is basketball camp for kids. You can just type that at titles and then do the pictures and everything else later. Slide number 2. Learn from pros and make acquaintances. Let's play this one here, full screen. And we just find a picture of.
Is that section header?
This is no, this is see, I don't remember which one was this.
It looked like section header on here.
No, let me see. It was
Picture and caption. Oh no. Is that
Yeah, picture with caption.
picture with caption? No. Yeah, it was one side by side. Picture with caption.
Yeah.
Right.
picture with caption,
with
not
caption.
the top one? Okay.
Excuse me, picture with caption.
Uh-oh, that didn't work.
Picture with caption, and you just put down that section for the title. This is the title. And then on the bottom, I think it says classes meet weekday mornings throughout the summer.
Mr. Vázquez.
Yes.
Yo la foto no la hice porque entré tarde la vez pasada y nunca encontré el color.
Ahí lo estaba marcando, mire. Let me go back.
Es que me sale a mí variantes, me meto a design
Ajá.
y ya ve que dice, y me sale un blanco y black.
No, es este.
Ah, tengo que seleccionar primero una de este lado.
You have to select the theme first. Use the variant of the theme. Si no agarra theme, there's no variant.
Ah.
Mr. Vasquez, could you put the second slide up, please?
Yeah.
And what does the bottom say there?
The bottom is the subtitle says classes meet weekday mornings throughout the summer. Classes meet weekday mornings throughout the summer.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, that's okay. No problem. Don't forget to put your name though on that.
Yeah, I will.
Mr. Vasquez, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Mr. Vasquez, slide 2, what kind is it?
The second one?
Slide 2? The second one? What kind of slide is it?
It's a picture with caption called.
Picture with caption. Picture with caption, thank you. Thank you so much.
And what did you put in? What did you put in to look for the picture?
It's like teamwork. I think that's the word we use, teamwork. It's a basketball team. And then put teamwork or I don't know what was the other keyword that we use. Just find a picture similar to that.
Okay.
And then the last slide, well,
Excuse me, I think Barbara said team effort. Didn't you, Barbara, say team effort?
team effort, something like that. Yeah, team effort. Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah, but then didn't we change it to just team effort? Because
Yeah,
then
that's what I thought you said.
Mhm.
I think you had looked it up with an S or something, and then that's when it came up.
Mhm.
That's
was-
right. Yes, I did. I efforts, and then I said, oh, wait, that, effort gets different pictures. You're right, Barbara.
Yeah, one little thing changing the wording, it modifies the search.
Yeah.
And the last one was just title only. I think it was because we created it's title. What is it? Title only for the last one, okay. And we basically drew this using the shapes in the insert. What is it? Insert. And then when on the shapes we find
Title, I'm sorry, number 3 is title only?
title only.
Okay, thank you.
Then we put these little graphics. We basically created the graphics from the insert shapes. Okay, they're right here.
Which one was number one, the slide one, Mr. Vasquez?
It's the normal, the title one. When you create a new PowerPoint, it comes up automatically. It's just the one that comes up automatically. It's the title, and I think this title is like it's called.
Yeah, titles, right.
So we use a pentagon and oval tool, and then the little arrows are right here too. So you have to like kind of like design it accordingly. You can do this later. Leave it out that way. That way you don't fall behind on what we're gonna do today. We still need more slides according to the textbook.
Mr. Vasquez,
Mhm.
just a quick question.
Yeah.
On the second slide, on the picture that you insert over there, there is a little outer letters over here, and right at the bottom. How do you get rid of those?
You click on it and then you delete it. Remember, it's the caption you're talking about, the little text below it. I just separated the picture from it and then I click on it and deleted the text, the caption, which we don't really need. That's why I got rid of it.
So you just click on it and press
Press the delete key on the keyboard.
Okay.
You click on the border of it. Don't click on that text inside, because if you click inside, it won't let you. Delete it. All right,
What kind of a slide was number 2?
Number 2 was title with caption. Title with caption. And I Facebook class, all these are on
No,
page.
Mr. Vasquez, picture with caption.
Yeah, picture with caption. I'm sorry, picture with caption. If you go, you guys, if you have the textbook, you can create the drawing here that we created on this is located on page. I think it starts on page 72, PPT 72, all the way down to PPT 87 is where it finishes. That's what we got the thing.
Okay. What kind of a slide was number 3?
Number 3 is a title only slide.
And what is, you'll learn, you will learn.
You'll learn. The famous phrase by George Lopez, you'll learn, so you learn.
Where is the outline again? How you do to
You
outline?
click on the object, and then you go to the, like in this case, the shape, you go shapes, and then you get the shape fill and shape outline. But you have to select it first, meaning you have to click on it to select it.
No, I did that, but I don't see the shape outline. There was something on mine where you actually.
I changed the outline because it was orange, and I did all the outlines black, and I told you it enhances actually the shapes. They look better this way.
So you click on the ball, let's say, and then you go to shapes.
And then you select shape outline. It's right there where my arrow is pointing, right there.
Is,
A minute, I can see.
what are you on? You're on shapes, is that what it is?
Insert shapes, and then you see the list of shapes. Find the ones that you need for this. All right. That's why I said leave it, and then continue with what we're gonna start doing right now. So that way we don't have everybody wait on this, and then we can. Don't forget the video, guys. I send you the video. You can follow this thing, because it took us a while to design this thing. So so that way I don't have to do it again, because we have another one that we need to do, the slide number 4. So let's just do your 3 slides and then continue for today. Okay? As long as you have that theme and the variant, it will look okay. You'll have this missing, but you can do it later.
Okay.
Now let me show you what we're gonna do as the next slide. Okay, so the slide they want us to do next, I think is a blanket slide. Let me see first. Slide number 4. From my background. Okay, so let's play slide number 4. So yeah, for slide number 4, it's just blank slide like this. All right, so the one says blank. That one is number 4. Okay, because this is what they want us to do in number 4. They want us to insert a background picture here. So let me see how we're gonna do this. So let's insert a picture first from Dane. And then we're looking for a basketball boy, it says here. So let's see what we get. Basketball boy. And it's not a picture, it's a clip art. So we have to go to the little filter here, the funnel, and select clip art. And I'm sure we're gonna see that one, the one they're using.
Basket, what? Boy?
Basketball boy.
Select what?
Select this little thing right here, filter, and then select clip art.
Oh.
See, I don't see it here.
There's, we just passed a boy.
No, it's a kid playing basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see it. See it. I don't see the picture. Yeah, it's already too many. Should have came up already.
Yes, basket boy?
Basketball boy.
Okay.
It's a kid playing basketball. Well, this one will do. Look at.
Is he by himself?
Yeah.
With a blue background? I just saw it's a little boy running with a basketball, dribbling.
Well, remember, this is like a basketball camp for kids. So something related to that will be nice. But we want a picture to be, well, this one is
Basketball boy.
good. So,
No me sale a mí, no. Usted le selecciona y le sale como un 1 ahí a un lado, a mí no me sale nada. No
How
más.
about 3 little boys?
no, it doesn't matter if it's more than one boy.
Okay. That looks like a camp.
Thomas is playing basketball because that's remember, we're doing a presentation for basketball. So
Mr. Vasquez, there's one with a boy in a wheelchair and he's dribbling the basketball.
I didn't see
There's
that.
one right there. See the little boy with the white jersey? There's one too.
Yeah, I saw this one. This one looks pretty cool. Let me see how.
Yeah, that one. That's the one I have.
Yeah, this one will do. This is actually something like what we need. So let me click right here, delete the text. And then, and it has to cover the whole thing. So this one, like that, something like this will work. And that's it.
And that's in clip art?
It's in clip art.
Clip
But this,
art.
this image, you know, what the problem with this image is too small. That's why it looks like that, pixelized. So this wouldn't work. We need to find something that is a little bigger. So let me show you how we do that search. We'll go big.
Where we can get the clip art? Only I have pictures.
Insert Bing pictures. Look at that basketball. Boy. And then I think if we do the filter and we go clip art, but also look at on the filter, if you put large or extra large, will be better. See? These are large pictures. These are will be better. This is a good one. Look at it gives us more. So on the filter, you get two different get the extra large and also the clip art. You get a little bit more.
So are we using large or extra large?
Yeah, either one of the two will work because the other one was too pixelized because it was really small. So these are a little bigger pictures. I said, I'm surprised that it doesn't show that many. That's all the sports mixed up here. Baseball, all kinds of tennis. It's not even related to basketball. So I put basket like that. The same. I get the same amount of pictures. It's so hard to find. I didn't find the one that they show in the textbook. That's for sure.
I got it. I got it, teacher.
All right.
I got the same picture.
Oh, is that right? How do you do it?
Basketball boy in a clip art, and click on the clip art, and they're gonna show all those.
That's how I have it.
Yeah.
It's way at the bottom or what?
No, in the top. Where you click insert picture.
And then
I mean, no. When you say on the top, when you write the word basketball boy and then click on the bottom a little bit down, where they show bigger letters, click on that one.
On this one?
Where
Oh yeah.
are you?
If you click on this, it gives you more. Look at.
Click on what?
Oh, that's nice.
I just took out the Creative Commons only, and it
Good
gave me.
job, Lupita.
Eh?
Oh,
Here it is.
Good job.
Good job,
Oh,
Lupita.
thank you.
Good
This
Thank you.
picture, look at class.
Thank
This is
you.
the picture we're looking for.
Which slide do we pick?
So you have to take out Creative Commons only, which I don't even know what it means.
Mr. Vasquez, which slide do we have?
4 slides. This is slide number 4. So look at this is the one that Lupita got. It's exactly the one on the textbook. So it's a small too, but you know what? This one can be maximized like that. Look at that's how we want it.
That's
They
what I
want it
did.
so it fits the whole enchilada there. All right, so they want to fit the whole screen.
How did you get it?
How did you get that one, Mr. Vasquez?
Lupita
¿Cómo
got it.
agarró esa?
Lupita got it.
How did you get it?
On the same picture. Go to pictures. And then
Uh-huh.
pink pictures. And then
Uh-huh.
type basketball boy.
Yes.
And then The little letters on the little bottom, click on that one.
Creative Commons only.
Creative Commons only?
Uncheck the box, and that's how it came out.
Created by Bing.
Oh, uncheck
Click
the
on that
box. Okay,
Click on that one.
okay, thank you.
You're
That's
welcome.
slide number 4. And the slide is a blank slide.
Thank you so much.
I think Creative Commons means licensed artwork.
Mr. Vasquez, which slide it is?
It's a blank slide. It doesn't have anything from that thing. What was your question, Keith?
I was just saying, Creative Commons, I believe it is licensed artwork.
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, I think, I'm not sure.
How did you maximize it, Mr. Vasquez?
I use that designer, but if not, drag one of the corners. See? Drag the corner until it fits the whole screen.
I cannot find it, Mr. Vasquez. I'm there, but I couldn't find it.
That's the one, the better tap on the top, the first one.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you click on check the box for common something only. And check the little box there that it has next to the filter. And that's what's preventing it, I guess, from showing.
No. I find another one.
Oh, no, that one is there, Raimundo. You have to look at my screen right now. I'm gonna do it. Show you how I was able to find it. So you go to Bing Pictures.
Okay.
You're gonna put the search basketball boy.
Okay.
And look at when this thing comes up. See, notice my pictures. If I uncheck the thing, that'll be the first picture there. And check the box that says Creative Commons only. That was what's preventing it from showing
I
us.
don't have that one, but I have a number 2 next to it.
No, you know what it is? You're probably not typing it right. Because if I got it and everybody else got it.
Ball boy, basketball boy, Bing.
I have it, but mine's very little.
No,
and I put extra large.
you have to drag it to fit the whole thing or use the design.
Right. Okay.
Oh, I got it now. Thank you. Got to redo it. 14.
No, let's thank Lupita for it because she was the one who figured it out.
Thank you, Lupita.
Thank you. En lo que me acuerde les ayudo.
I'm trying to see how shapes. Here's the shape. Here's the shapes too on the home tab. You have the shapes, you have the range. But I don't see the insert. We just have the text box. We don't have that. We don't have the word art. We have a smart art, but not word art. So it's okay. Look at what they want us to write here. We're gonna get a text box. Just click on text box. And they want us to choose the.
Excuse me, I didn't see where text box is.
It's on the insert.
Insert.
And it creates it automatically. We're gonna put register today. So we're gonna type register. Today. I need to make it huge. So I'm seeing the size they're using is size it's huge size. So on the home tab, I do this size let me see 48. It's expanded. We need just to expand it again. So it looks big because that's how they want it. This big, and then
What?
yeah, this big.
What tab were you on?
I just went where it says insert, and then I select the text box, and then I type register today.
And then how did you make it big?
Went to the home tab and then increased the size to
Okay.
48.
So text box and then
The formatting, change, decrease, increase.
After I go to insert, where do I go next?
A text box. Insert a text box.
¿Está en home?
Yeah.
What number, teacher?
Insert text box, and then you're gonna type register today.
But what number? What size?
Size 48.
Oh.
And then, well, here it shows that it's red. So on the, I was thinking we can do that, but we can't. So we have to in the home, just color it, I guess, red. So that's about the only red that we see there. And probably bold it. And then we have a font that will look nice already, but let me see the fonts. No, we don't have that variety of fonts. So this one.
so how do I make it 48 again?
Highlight it and then go to the home tab.
That's it.
That's where the sizes are. Today is lowercase. So that's how they want it here.
Mr. Vasquez, when I put mine to font size 48, it puts it on top of each other. It doesn't align it.
It stretch it out. Just stretch it out. Look at, if it's like this, just drag it and stretch it out.
Okay.
Yeah, stretch it out because it was actually small when we got it, and then we increase the size. So, and it goes right over here on in front of the thing.
Oh, wow.
Where do you go to get those the text?
Huh?
Where do you go to get that typing for text box?
Insert text box. Insert text box. It's size 48. I use the Gothic. What is it? The Franklin Gothic medium. So it's a little, you know, a little bigger. I'm looking at the textbook on page 91. It shows there, but there's, of course, it's like more, you know what, more round. But this is fine. We don't have word art that they use for that, so this is fine.
Excuse me. ¿Qué nombre de letra es?
Franklin Gothic is called. Franklin Gothic medium. But if you don't have that one, just use any other one. It's fine. Okay. So whatever is available on your list of fonts. Because remember the last time not everybody had the same fonts. So if you don't have the same font, that's okay.
I'm having trouble dragging it, putting it all in one word, register today.
Right here, the little circle in the middle, just drag it. Click on it and stretch it out. And that will stretch out the text.
Ah, I got it. Thank you.
Because here they're showing all these features that we can do. So they formatted this thing with different things that we don't have access to. More colors. We just have colors. We don't have other things.
You said the wording should be Gothic?
Yeah, let's see what this is. Oh,
Franklin.
yeah,
Oh, Franklin. Thank you.
Franklin medium.
Franklin medium, yeah. Let's see.
There we go. Thank you.
Oh, it does have this color variants that we can use. Look at, I don't know if it looked nice or not, but maybe we can use some styles. You know, the styles, it will change it. See that? Add a little bit of a background to the text, but that's not how it looks on the textbook. So let's not even try this. There. It's just like that is fine. Oh, it gave me all this stuff. Let me undo what I just did. But we wanted just the way it was plain. I'm undoing. So notice how I'm doing? I was just experimenting with something else and it didn't come out right. So it's okay. Just like that is fine.
We're gonna leave it like that?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. It's fine.
Okay.
See, I was experimenting with the shape fill and all that, and no, it doesn't look good. No need for that. That looks fine. As long as you put it in an area where you can see it, okay, like that. If I bring it up, see like that. On the picture, it has it like around right over here, but it's round, so we can't make it round because we don't have that feature on this version of PowerPoint. Which is there today. Seeing what changes they're making to it, but overall it's pretty good. Okay, so we're missing one picture on the slide number 1. Okay. So everybody good with the slide number 4? Just a picture and the words registered today.
Yes.
If I show it full screen, look at it, looks really nice. As a matter of fact, look at how cool it looks. This line here, I put the drawing there. It looks really nice. I like it. All right, so let's go back to slide number 1 because we're missing something here that it shows on the textbook. I mean, on the textbook. It has a basketball, and it has another graphic. What kind of graphic is that? So let's, it has actually basketball. So if we go to insert, and let's just find a basketball. Any of these pictures will do. I think it's this one, the one it has. I'm looking at it and the lines and everything, it looks like this one. One of these two. So I'm gonna show you here. So we insert it. Oh, but it has the background.
Yes, basketball.
It has this background here. I don't know if we can remove the background, white background.
Basketball.
Let me see if it allows us to remove that. If we go to, no, it doesn't have that picture. So we need to find a picture that is transparent. See, it doesn't format picture. Option. No, we don't have that picture here. All right, so look at class. This picture will not work. Okay, so because of the background, we need a picture.
If you do comment, teacher, if you do comment only, it will come out.
If I do what?
Comment only on the picture. Yeah,
right.
without the background.
Okay. So it's right, let's take out the comments only. And it will be this one. Oh, this picture, huh? So this is the picture actually.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Yeah, you know what? This is the picture. Let's do this, look at class. So let's click on this.
Teacher,
Yeah.
I got another one. I type basketball cancha in español, and they show me almost the same picture was in the book.
No, and on the background, look at is this one, the one we need class. So put basketball, take out that Creative Commons only, and this is the one we're looking for. But this is what we need.
Basketball common only?
Yeah, take that off. No, just put basketball.
Oh.
Same thing we did with the other one. But let me show you what's gonna happen with this picture. See this picture? What we need to do is actually make it fit the whole screen, but we want to put it on the behind it. So if I go right here, look at it's something like that is how they have it. You see that? I use the designer. If you have access to the designer, use the designer. If not, look at, let me undo the designer. You
It's
can just
asking me to update if I want to use.
Yeah, no, don't use the designer. Then just drag it and make it fit the whole screen. See, just drag the corners until you fit the whole screen. And that works too. So let me see right here. And then just stretch it out so it fits. No, but here it's becoming a little bit.
Mr. Vasquez. ¿Por qué no me salen las mismas a mí a veces?
Take out the commons only thing. The button that we took for the other one. Oh, it doesn't want to fit. How many did fit earlier?
Oh, okay.
Right here.
It's the first one. I couldn't find it.
It's the one I'm showing here. But look at, if I do this, it's not gonna. Okay, so that looks fine. Let me see.
It's a
There.
phrase.
If I do it this way, class, it covers the whole slide, but it covers also the text. So once I do this and I stretch it out, I can right click on it and look at where it says bring to front. I'm sorry, send back is what we need to do. Send back. Does he notice how everything came up? Let me do it again. So first, I stretch out the picture, but it covered my text, my title, and the other part. All right, so not to worry about it. I can just right click on the picture and go send back. And it sends the picture back. So now my text appears. Do you see that? See if you can do that. Class.
So do you want us to do that instead of the premium dark background? Mr. Vasquez?
What is the question?
I put that premium dark background on mine.
You could if you want to, but not everybody has.
How do you send it back, Mr. Vasquez? I forgot.
You right click on the picture and then go send back. Yeah,
and then you go what? I'm sorry.
Send back. Your echo, Jackie, your echo is driving me crazy.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Ahí está.
Okay. So
send back. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Vasquez, I right click. Nothing comes out.
All right, let me show you how we got this picture. And it's the same way we did for the basketball boy. So you go insert pictures, pink picture, and then we put basketball.
Correct.
Not basketball boy, just basketball.
I have all of that, Mr. Vasquez. I just can't get it to come to the front or go to the back.
Oh,
Send back.
Click on the
me
picture.
too.
Yeah, click on the picture.
I did. Right click, you said, right?
And then right click on it. And it says send back. Look at the menu. The menu has cut, copy, paste, Change picture, alternate text, format options, bring to front, bring to back, send back, I'm sorry. So send to back is what you want. It will send it behind the text. So the text will be in the front now.
Okay. I have.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
It worked, all right.
Yes, it worked.
With me, it didn't work. I'm still sending it back, but I think it went to the back of the computer.
No, so
No, you know what happened? I had to put my arrow more to the right of the picture than to the left, because when I had it on the left side, it wasn't doing it. You have to right click like right in the middle.
just
Oh,
click,
right in the middle.
click
Okay.
first, yeah. Click on the picture, right? Somewhere on the picture, and then right click. Because if you click on anywhere else, it might not give it to you.
Yeah, it wasn't doing it, and I had to do it like right in the center.
Wait a minute, this thing is bigger still.
Oh, it doesn't want to give me anything.
Here it is. My thing is still bigger, and I'm not doing it correctly. So here. I didn't notice that I didn't cover the whole slide. So let me see right there. So let me just play this thing, see how it looks. Yeah. Oh, see, notice this white area? That means I need to stretch it out a little bit more. So on this side, right there, right there. So now I'm gonna play it, just that one slide, play the slideshow, but that one slide, and see it's covered completely. So that's how we want it. All right, and it looks nice. Look, it looks really nice.
Mhm.
So it actually on the textbook it has two pictures. So that's picture number one, the basketball as a background.
And how about the other thing they have? What's the name?
And I'm looking at that.
Mr. Vasquez, you're asking for miracles.
Why? No, we're doing good. We're doing good.
I'm satisfied with the basketball.
Oh, you know what? The other one, I think it's a drawing.
You gave him more idea.
No
The other
más.
one is actually a drawing.
Insert.
Illustration. Yeah. So it is an illustration.
Yeah, because, and then the basketball's on the right side, so can we, wrong side?
No,
can we?
no, this is fine. I mean, you know, it can't be perfect.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's close enough.
Don't move it.
It's not actually.
No,
It's
you
actually.
don't want to be more trouble, Barbara?
No, I get in trouble enough at work.
Oh, okay.
It's not that the actual correct picture, but it's close enough. And the other one, you know what? I don't think we're gonna do the other one because it's gonna be very confusing. They're using one of these shapes and then drawing it, and it's just too many steps. No, it's fine. We're gonna leave it like that. Just one picture. I don't want to complicate your life. It's too complicated. I'm looking at it and I go, oh my God, this is complicated. No, this is fine. It looks really nice the way it looks now. Slide one, slide two.
It looks excellent.
Yeah, it's slide three, and then it's slide four. So let me see what else they want us to do. So we did the slide number 4, register today, and then we did the slide number 1. We added the background. For slide number 2, they want us to change, I guess, add another picture on the background. Let me see if it allows us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, designer, open layout. Open and then no. But I don't think it has that feature though.
We can do the same thing. We find that one on the 4th.
Another picture. I don't know, I like it the way it looks.
No?
Mr. Vasquez, yo puse otra porque de plano no la.
That's okay. As long as it looks like a basketball court and a basketball, that's fine. Looking at the misspelled word. There. All right, so the last thing they want us to do is try the transitions. Okay, so page 100, it says to add a transition between the slides. Click transitions on the ribbon. So we're gonna go to transitions.
Page 100.
Page 100, huh? It says then click on wipe transition, wipe. So right here, wipe transition. And then it says transition to this, and apply this transition. So we want to apply to all. There it is. That got the little star on all of them. And then it says to increase the duration to 2.00. And apply to all once again. Okay, because we changed the speed or the duration, so we have to apply to all. So wipe, apply to all, and then duration 2, apply to all.
Which one we're gonna put? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
The wipe transition is the one they want us to use, and 2.00.
Why?
Wipe, like wiping something. Click the preview transition button.
Yeah, I got it.
The area, and then so we're ready to test it. Look at. So I'm gonna go to the slideshow, and then.
How many seconds?
At the beginning, 2.
2.
So there it is. Oh,
Okay.
look at, I like that. So I click for the next one. That's a nice transition. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a very nice transition. I like it. So apply the transition, 2 seconds, apply to all, both the transition and then the duration.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez, did they supposed to, I mean, obviously, I believe, did they supposed to be running one behind another one, right? When you put 2 seconds in one slide, go after another one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we're doing the presentation, yeah, that's how it works. So,
because you know, mine, it's not running one behind another one. I have to click on it.
oh no, you have to click. It's not set up to be played automatically.
Oh,
it's
okay.
played manually. You have to click on it. Okay.
So that's.
So if I wanted this PowerPoint, and it's a good question. Okay, if I wanted this PowerPoint to play automatically, what can I do to make it play automatically?
Yo también pensé que era sola se iba.
No. No, it doesn't have the feature.
Okay.
It doesn't have the feature. It does have it on the full version of PowerPoint. It has a feature where you can set up. This one doesn't have it. So you have to click the mouse.
Mr. Vasquez, after a slideshow, what do we hit?
From beginning.
From beginning.
And that will play the slideshow from the beginning. That's nice. So yeah, you have to click the mouse, press the start button. I mean the space bar, the enter, the space bar is the one that works. So space bar to advance the slides. And once it's the last one, you press the space bar one more time and it goes back to the slide. Yeah, it doesn't have that feature. So it's good.
Mr. Vasquez, what is this called to save?
All right, we're gonna save it as, I'm looking at the thing. Actually, the name says save the presentation again. I guess we named this thing
Basketball camp.
Basketball camp.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We have 1 minute for break. Just saying.
Saving.
I have to have my next cup of coffee.
No, I agree with you. All right, so let's save it. And then we're ready to
Take a break.
this one came out really nice, and look at all this. We did it from scratch, and it looks so nice. So let's go ahead and let me stop here. Pause this thing, recording.
Okey-doke.
And there is this one came out nice. So share this, please. Send it in. And I haven't really gone through all the PowerPoints that we have received, but I did get a PowerPoint for Sue. She's been trying to send hers. So let's go ahead and see Sue's about me PowerPoint. Okay. Let's see if it will let me present it from here. Start slideshow. Here it is. All About Me by Susan Donner. My friend's family described me as reliable, caring, and honest. And it has a nice graphic there. And then hobbies and
Doesn't show. It just says all about me. It's not moving.
No, it does show on mine.
No, it doesn't show on mine. It just shows all about me with Susan Donner and Lemons, and that's it.
You guys are not seeing what I'm seeing, or?
Yeah.
Let me see. Here, you seen it now?
Yes.
Click it.
Let's go next.
Now, yes. Now,
Right,
yes.
so, you know, it was something with my sharing part, so it was my fault. My friend's family described me as reliable, caring, and honest, and it has a really nice picture. And then next, hobbies and activities, reading recipes, collecting unusual plates, and serving dishes. It's a hobby. Hobbies, you know, one of my hobbies, well, let me finish this first. Activities is spending time with friends, shopping in secondhand stores, dancing. And look at the yard. I just forgot to mention the yard sale. Lupita used to go to all the yard sales before. Lupita, you don't go no more?
No, not right now.
All right. My favorite foods are Italian, puttanesca, Middle Eastern, lamb, and I don't know how to pronounce those, but they sound delicious. Kabuli, tzatziki, and pita, and Indian, tandoori, and marsala, Thai, masman, and my secret talents are I own my own home care business for seniors. I dance in my temple's annual fundraisers, event planning, and a private chef. I am a private chef, all right. Motivation is the message on the bottom. Really nice graphic. Happiest time ever, the birth of my daughter. That's a graphic there. My favorite place to visit, California, wine country. Carlsbad, California.
That's the ocean. It doesn't look like it.
The ocean, yeah. And then Italy, and the Leaning Tower, and New York. And it has all the that's a nice little picture here. We're ready to travel, huh? Books and movie, Memoirs of a Geisha by Arthur Golden, and movie Women in Gold, starring Helen Mirren. Dave. Oh yeah, that's a good movie, Dave. I've seen it. Kevin Kline and Sigourney Weaver. Yeah, this is a good, really good movie. I love that movie.
I do too. I could watch it over and over again.
It's one of those that you can watch over and over and you're gonna get bored. I believe you. I love that movie. It's a great movie. You wish, you know, the presidents were like that. All right, class. You haven't seen it, anybody? Watch that movie. It's really good. Dave is called. All right, so let's go ahead and share this. And let's start, look at, we're gonna start a new PowerPoint. This one is gonna be very complex because they want us to apply the knowledge of creating figures and graphics and mixing pictures and all that stuff that that we did on the previous assignment. They want us to practice that. But it says that we have already a presentation. Unfortunately, remember what happened when I sent those files and it was just too difficult. But I think we can create this thing from scratch, and it will be better that way. We can see how this is done. Okay. So let's start with a blank PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint. There it is. And that title, I'm on page 104 if you want to follow with your textbook. Page 104. Title is B Stings. Oops, sorry, taking the wrong. I don't know what, let me see if I have this file on my thing and to see exactly what they're using here. I think I have it. Give me 1 second. I'm looking for this thing to see if I have it.
It's cold.
Mr. Vasquez, if you haven't updated your designer, why is yours working and ours is not?
I don't know. I haven't done anything to it. So look at that. Even has a nice look at this one. Is really nice, but I have to pay for it. See, has a little diamond. That means it's a premium one. This one is not. I can use this one. See, it's not a premium. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't done anything to it. So I see it works, and I can choose the different ones. But so
It says you only. Oh, I'm sorry. It says you only get 3 presentations per month, right?
Okay.
Yeah. 3. Yeah, 3. But I used mine.
Yeah, well, the ones that have the little star, that means they're premium. You have to pay for it. The other ones you can use.
No, the thing is that actually, I cannot select any of them.
If they have that little diamond, they're premium. So here's another one, the diamond that it doesn't let me use. It says go premium and you have to pay for it. But we're not paying for it, so no need for that. All right, so just type that. That's the title slide. And then slide number 1, photo inserted as background, text formatted for art style, then picture style apply in the middle. And substitute your name for the student name for your name. All right, so let me show you how this one was done. If we go and insert the let's do one by one. That way we can get that, because we're not using a theme. We are creating actually the images because it doesn't have a theme. It's just using you have to design it. It's only 4 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 slides, and they're mostly pictures. So they want us to use those skills that arranging pictures and all that. So the first one, I see a field of flowers, and then in the middle we're gonna put a bee. So let me show you how we're gonna do this. I think we can insert the first picture. Says bees, which you look at. Okay. Okay. I'm looking to see the let's change the text on it. And change, okay, so fine. Yeah, it doesn't have we'll have to use pictures to create this. All right, so we're looking for it looks like a field of flowers, but yellow flowers. And it doesn't give me the name of the picture. So let's see if we put flowers. Let's see what comes up. Okay. Let's take out the Creative Commons now that we know that more stuff comes up that way. Oh, something like this. Look at something like this, similar to it. Did you see that? Oh, like this. Also, this one looks really nice. This is it's something like this. What I see on the I don't know if you guys see your textbook, but it looks something like this.
Teacher, if you type spring yellow flowers, they come one the same, not almost the same, but something like.
You put what, spring flowers?
It's spring yellow flowers.
Okay. Spring. Yeah, because they're yellow flowers actually.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah, it looks something like this. Yeah, thank you, Lupita. Yeah. See, when you're specified better, you get more results. It's something like any of this, it looks nice. This one looks nice too. As a matter of fact, it's something like this. Look at what I see there. Yeah. Oh, wow.
I think Lupita is going to get the little star today.
No, no. It's because we did it long time ago, and I thinking, oh, we did with the teacher. We did that this way. But
that's why you remember a lot.
So yeah, any
yellow flower
work, yeah. Look at your textbook and it looks exactly like that. So wow, look at this one, is nice too. There's so many to choose from. I like this one. That is a little bit faded, so it doesn't. So just look for one that you like, and don't forget what is it that we're gonna do. We're gonna stretch it out first.
Oh, come on.
And then we're gonna put it on the back. Remember, it's oh, what happened?
We can put any teacher.
Yeah, look for one that you like.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be necessarily the one I'm getting. Okay, so because you might not like my one. And okay, so I'm gonna align it right there, and then I'm gonna drag it to the opposite side, so I can stretch it out. Let me just move this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna grab it and stretch it out. Let it there, and then I stretch out this. There you go. See?
Oh,
it looks really nice, but it's on top of the text. So what do I need to do?
Send it back.
On the picture.
Send back.
Then send it back. Yes. Now the text doesn't look that good because the text that is showing it's actually yellowish. So if we highlight the text and we can make it yellowish, it'd be nice. That. All right. And then maybe bold it. See that? Right. And I undid, so we just have to grab that text and then just move it up a little bit.
What is the secret to dragging it? Because I keep just moving the picture around.
Look at my screen, and it's a good question, kid. Look at my screen. See, notice how if I'm right here, my mouse looks like an insertion point. It's called the I-beam because it's like an eye. But if I move the mouse carefully to the border right here, look at what happens. My mouse now is a four-headed arrow. So I can click on it at that point and then move it around. See? You can only move it when you have the four headed.
Right. So I have the same picture as you, but when I try and stretch out the picture, all I'm doing is just dragging the picture around the box.
You have to go on this little thing. See the little things? Are
Right.
called the handles. You have to drag the handle. See how I'm dragging it? And I made the image, the text box smaller. You do the same, the opposite to make it bigger. So.
All right. I
Oh,
got
this
that.
the yellow doesn't look that good. Maybe
Where
I need
do we go to send back again?
and click the picture and then right click immediately.
Oh, okay.
Maybe gold looks better. Let's see. No, it's gold. Imagine great with gold. Like that.
Okay, so
you know what? Maybe
What about black?
how about white? Look at
White is better.
and just also resize that. You know that the name is way over here. So resize these boxes for the name and the title, so they're not that huge because we don't need them that big. See, like right there, I want to make it also white. So I'm gonna go white there. See, if you can resize the boxes like I did, grabbing the corners right here and then resizing it. So and then I notice how I'm moving the picture by accident. So undo immediately, so it goes back. I don't know. There's a way that I think we can anchor this picture so they don't move anymore. But I guess not on this version. Laca, no. Left margin, no. It doesn't have that.
What size? What? Sorry.
It's not the size. Remember, you just drag it in and make sure that it fits the whole slide. That's what we want to do. And look at, I always do this to make sure there's no white areas showing. See, the whole screen is color as a picture, so it's perfect how we want it. And notice the white, it stands out, you know, on the yellow flowers. So make sure your text is white.
Yeah, how do I move bee stings up?
Huh?
The bee stings, I highlight it.
Highlight it and then turn it white on the home tab. That's where the colors are located.
And I'm just trying to move it to the top of the page.
Did you grab it where I told you? You know, when the mouse turns into a four-headed arrow, that's when you can move it around. See, look at.
Okay, I got it. Right.
The mouse needs to be and see right now I'm moving the picture. I don't want to move the picture, so.
Mr. Vasquez.
Huh?
Mr. Vasquez.
Yeah.
I did it put it the white, but it just went on one side. It says things, and what it says B, it can.
Oh, highlight the whole word, the two words.
Okay, all right, okay.
Highlighted is better.
All right, thanks.
And don't forget to put it on the top and kind of like centered. How do I know it's centered? Look at it. If I start moving it, I see that line right there. Right there, it tells me that I'm right on the center of the slide, right there.
Mr. Vasquez, I have the little loading dots since like 2 minutes ago, and it won't stop. Is that has to do with my computer?
Refresh it. Refresh.
Refresh. How do I do?
Yeah, it will be the little arrow. You know,
Yeah.
refresh the page, or you can right click anywhere in the page and then select refresh.
Okay, right click and.
No, it doesn't give you that. Then go ahead and see this button right here. It's called the refresh button. But if you use Chrome, it's might look slightly different. Because I'm using Microsoft Edge.
Actually, no. What you did worked. It refreshed the page. Thank you.
Yeah, sometimes they get stuck, you know.
Yeah.
Information doesn't get through. All right, so these things, and then student name white on a beautiful yellow flowers background.
Excuse me, Mr. Vasquez.
Yes. So
I don't know how Where you put the student name, I can't get it to type. I mean, I can't bring it down. I don't know how.
Look at,
It's
again, the same thing that kid was asking right now. Notice how my mouse, look at when I click on the name, notice if I move my mouse where the border of the box is, look at, it gives me these 4 arrows. So then, and that means that I can move it around. Look at.
But it doesn't say student name anywhere and I can't get a box.
The box should be right there because it's the subtitle. Always comes with it.
I know, but it's like disappeared.
Were you able to put the picture behind?
Well, how do you put the picture behind?
You right click on the picture and go send back.
Wait a minute.
I think that the picture is covering it, that's why.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, because if I have it in the front, look at, everything is gone. So if I right click and I go send back, then it shows the text. So your picture is covering the text, I think.
No, I don't know.
If not, undo, Sue, and do it again from the beginning. I will do that instead, you know, if you're, because when we started, the title and the subtitle were there.
Right.
So they haven't gone nowhere. They're still there, but maybe they behind the picture. If they're behind the picture, that's why you're not able to see it.
Okay.
But if you undo, always undo things before you panic. The undo button, it will undo everything from the beginning.
Okay.
I think I showed you last time, guys. If I go undo, you have to go slow because it does it little by little. We can undo.
No.
Undo. Keep undoing. Don't undo if you don't need to. I'm just showing everybody this. Okay. See, notice that my text is black now because I undid when I changed the color. When I resized to, when I moved it to. Same thing when I was playing with the colors. So all these undos are available. Okay. And you go and redo and it will go back to the way I had it. So undo and redo, they're always available. And this is the whole purpose of this thing, to try to correct any errors that you make.
Mine looks exactly like yours now. But a quick question, the cursor is still the cross with the arrows?
Because of the picture.
And shouldn't it just be the arrow, or?
It's always gonna be like that because we have a background for picture for background.
Okay, I thought that was, because on my last assignment, I couldn't get I got everything perfect like you did, but I couldn't get the reel to start going, and I thought it had something to do with that.
No, it's because of the picture, the background. If you have the background and the title and the subtitle, we'll insert a picture in the middle. They want us to insert a picture of a bee in the middle. So we go insert pictures.
Mr. Vasquez?
Yes.
It's Linda. I have a question. When I'm working on my picture, it looks just like yours. However, in my upper left-hand corner, my slide number 1, it doesn't fill out the entire frame.
Stretch it out more though. You have to stretch out, yeah, and until it fits the whole thing. All right, look at, for the picture in the middle, we need the bee. It's a bee on a flower.
That's what I type, bee on the flower. They come out with the bee on the flower.
On a flower.
Bee on a flower? Is that what you said? Okay.
You're on a roll, Lupita, today.
This is amazing.
Oh yeah, any of this will do. Thank you, Lupita. Yeah, especially what it shows here is I think it's one of these flowers. You know, a yellow flower. Wow, look at this. This is the one. No, I don't see the picture, but any of this will work. Look at. I like this one. So if I insert this one.
Wait, oh, that one's pretty. Yeah.
So that's the one that we want to use. Okay.
Okay.
That's a B.
Looks like a fly, no? This is what I'm gonna do here. On this one, they want us to apply one of the styles, the run style, this style right here. Oh, the one with the border. I'm sorry, the one with the border. The one with the black border, this one. There. Can make it a little bigger. I think I can stretch it out a little bit or go on the.
Where did you go? I'm sorry, I didn't see that.
Not for this big.
Okay. Yeah, but
On the
where did you-
styles, on the picture styles. And we want the oval one, but with the border, the black border. So that way it stands out from the rest of them. This is a good picture.
I don't have that. Where are the styles?
You have to click on picture first to activate it. Click
Okay.
the picture and then click on pictures or picture.
Pick
And
out,
then-
you can click on your picture.
Yeah, click on the picture and then the word pictures is on the top picture and then it gives you the picture.
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
I
Can
don't
you
know.
repeat that one more time?
What are you're looking for change picture?
Just type B on the flower.
Right, I have the bee on the flower.
Oh, no.
And insert it.
I don't know how to, I right clicked and I have the menu, but I don't know what to click on.
On the picture, on the B picture, you're gonna click on the B picture. And then you're gonna click on the word that says picture on the menu.
Did you do it with Creative Commons only, or did you click that off?
I think this one comes out. It's not, if you don't get the same exact picture, it's okay. Anything alike is fine, okay? Because there's a bunch of pictures with bees on it. And then go to the styles, and I chose the style with a border. It's called Vivo Oval Black. It's the one we select. This is the one that it shows on the textbook. I'll do it again because I didn't like that picture that much, so I'm gonna get another one. Here I go. Pictures, Bing pictures. And I'm gonna put what was it? B on a flower. And I think it saves what you type, so that's a good thing. Any of this will work. I'm gonna use this one now because I didn't like the other one that much. So this is another one. I don't know if I like this one or not. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna delete the text here. And this one, look at, I click on it and I go where it says picture right here to activate the picture styles. And I go this right here. And I can probably make it a little bigger here. And there you go. See, this one, I think I like that one better. I don't know if it's in the middle. Right there, it's in the middle. How do I know? Because the red line, dotted line is letting me know that it's right in the middle.
Okay, so I got my photo, and then to make it oval, we go to picture.
Click on picture and then go to picture. Click on the picture and then go click on where it says picture. And that will give you the picture styles. So click on the picture and then right here it says picture. And then right away you see the styles on the side.
Oh, right, yeah.
And then you go to the black oval.
Yeah,
Click on
the
arrow.
black, this one right here, it says Vivo Oval Black.
But you first have to click on the picture itself.
Yes.
Yeah, in order.
In order to have it, okay.
Look, I'm gonna make mine a little oval like that, so it looks nice. There you go. There. And I just drag it around to see the red dotted line. There it is. That red dotted line tells you that you're right in the middle, and that's where I want it. I'm gonna tell you, this one looks just exactly like the one in the textbook. I mean, not exactly on the same pictures, but you know, the same design. Because on the textbook, the student name is black, but I think it looks better the way we have it on white. Let me just see a quick full screen. Oh yeah, it looks nice.
Boy, oh boy.
It looks really nice. On the slide number 2, we want title and content.
Mr. Vasquez, where do you go to show full screen?
Over here on the very bottom, look at, I'm gonna circle it with my pencil here, right here. Looks like a one of those presentation. See that?
Where is that? Where's your full screen?
Yeah, no, it's not my full screen.
Oh,
It's
down there. Oh, yeah, that's right.
slideshow.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
he plays that particular slide. Look, when I click it, it goes into the slideshow mode, and he plays that particular slide where you're at. Because we only have one slide, so 2 clicks and then you're out of there. All right, look at for the next slide. We're gonna insert title and content. That's what it says here. Let me see. Change the layout to title and content. All right, so there. I don't know why. Oh yeah, okay.
That one?
I guess that's what they want. Wait a minute, don't you know what? Because I'm looking at number 2, and that doesn't look like title and content. But it says on the slide number 2, change the layout to title and content.
Crazy.
So we're gonna do that, right? So it looks better if we do that to content, because one will be the picture and the other one will be the text, and that's how they have it.
Okay.
You know, notice, I don't know if you see in the page number 106, 105, and the slide number 2, it doesn't look like title and content to me. It looks more like to content. Or picture with caption even. Or content with caption.
That one? Yeah. No.
It looks more like that one. But I guess they want us to insert that one and then play with it until we get it like that, I guess. Oh yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and do what the textbook says, title and content. And then there it is. So the title for this is gonna be prevention.
Title content. Okay.
Prevention. And what do you do to prevent being stung by a bee? Never disturb a nest. Okay, so that's our number 1. Number 2, inspect.
Ever.
Area 1S. Okay. And then the last one, have insect spray handy. Again, because we're gonna have the picture right here, we can look at, I can drag this right here and adjust it right there. So we have enough room for the picture. See what I did? I just dragged the text back and arranged that. Same thing with this, look at, with the title also, we can do the same thing. Let's put it like that. So we can create our own type of slides if we want to, the layout.
Insert pictures.
Just something here with this.
With the B on the side?
Yeah, you see the one that it shows on the side, Lupita? It's a picture with a, but also the, thinking of the background, it doesn't give us the option to change the background on this thing. And then we use a design.
Oh, I got it. I got the same picture.
Okay.
I type bee flower purple.
All right, class. All right. Yeah, well, let's get the picture first. And I want to show you how we're going to change the background. I just realized that it is available. Let's insert the picture then. What's the name of the picture, Lupita, that you found?
Bee flower purple. I typed that one. Bee purple.
Or purple.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, something like this. It's on a purple type of flower, and it's, this one too looks good.
I got the same picture. That one we have in the book.
How do you find it though? Because I don't see it.
I typed that one. I typed that one on the top.
This one? No.
No. What do you call?
Yeah, it's the second row, third picture.
Yeah.
Bee flower purple?
See, and it's in the second row. It's next to that thing that looks like a moth.
This one?
No. Go up. Para arriba. No, up.
Down, you mean?
Okay, down then. No, it's towards the top.
No,
I don't think I have it though.
Go down,
Yeah,
go
go
down,
down a little more.
a little
If
down,
we
a
have
little
it, you
down.
have.
There.
This is the
Like
one.
that.
This is the one. Yeah. It's this one. All right. Yeah, you guys are right.
Okay, now we're gonna take you a coffee right now. Double shot espresso.
Again?
Yeah, this is
Again?
the one. And look at this one, class. It needs to fit. Gotta make sure that it fits. Like from this corner right here, all the way down. So we're gonna first we can go down this way to the bottom right there, and then you can just stretch it out a little bit. See?
Oh yeah.
There you go, like that. You notice how just drag it down first, and then I did the side, and also has, I noticed that it has a picture style. So the style that they have right here, it's kind of like a faded style, and it looks like it's faded on the side. So let me see if it's soft edge. I'm going to try to see the one they use. As, let me see if it's this one. It doesn't look like that one, but that one looks good. How about this one? How about this one? Oh, this is round. No, it's not a round one. is this one, right? So that the effect that it has is this one. It's called the soft edge rectangle. It's the one they have. It doesn't say here.
Are you in inserts, Mr. Vasquez?
Huh?
What are you in to get these pictures?
You have to
What-
click on to get the picture or to change it like this.
To change it, when you get this box that's down,
Yes.
the box with all,
I just drag these little buttons right here to make it big. Is that what you're asking?
no, wait a minute, I can't find it for some reason.
See, I drag these little buttons all the way down and then to the side. And then once I did that, I went to click on the picture and then I click on picture over here to get the styles. And the style we're applying is called soft edge rectangle. It's on the first row, number, what is it? 3, 6. Number 6 of the first row is the effect that it has, like a faded effect. So it's this right here. And I'm gonna do one last thing here. I didn't think it was possible, but I realized that it is possible. So look at what, if you already have the picture, resize it and everything, the next thing is the slide itself. In order that it has like a yellowish background. So this is how they did this. If I go to the design and I go to background, look at, and I go solid here. And I think it's this very light gold, 80%. Let me see how it looks. There you go. See that? That's exactly how it is in the textbook. So I'm gonna go to design. I'm gonna go to background, click on solid fill, and we're looking for this gold right here. 80% gold, accent 4, lighter 80%. So we're gonna change the background of the slide itself.
So when you go to design, I do not have, did you click something after design to get the background? Or did you hit
Your main
oh, I'm sorry. I see it. I see it. Okay, so when you go to the background and then you do solid fill and then you pick the color.
Pick the color is gold, accent 4, lighter 80%. And it gives you that yellowish kind of thing, but it's actually gold. And it's exactly what they have on
Character gold, is it the third one down on the third row?
the one that's 80% is the second one.
Oh, okay, thank you.
And look at how nice it looks. It looks exactly like one on the
I see, lovely.
on the textbook.
Uh-huh.
So this is better that we do it ourselves because we can actually see how it's done, you know, creating it from scratch. All right, for they want us to change the color of this to green. So I guess so it matches the picture too. So the background is gold, solid fill, gold 80%. And then the text, this one, the title, should be, they wanted it to be green. So I'll go to the home tab for that, highlight it, go to the home tab and select the green. I think it's this green right here. The green accent 6. That's it. It could be like a darker green. Huh? Let's see the regular green, how it looks. Oh yeah, regular green looks even better.
Which one is the regular green?
That one says green at the bottom on the colors. on the list of colors. They're in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Standard colors.
Like green?
There's
Green, okay.
light green and green.
Oh,
Captain,
perfect.
Phoebe,
Perfecto.
I use regular green. I imagine the light green looks good too. Let me see. I think light green looks even better. I'm just trying to match what the textbook is showing, and light green looks even better.
so you want the light green or the dark green?
The light green. The light green, I think it matches the picture, you know, the areas of the
Oh,
picture.
okay. No problem.
At the top.
Yeah.
So that's what how they have it. And then let's create a background and slide to, okay.
It's ocho.
The gradient.
2 minutes.
It's so true. So that means everybody's stressing if you
That means my clock is behind because I still have 5 minutes. I was kidding. No, we're good. All right, we can start. Right? This is gonna be such a nice slideshow.
Oh my goodness.
So how we're gonna save it? Let me go to the. We're gonna save it as these things apply to 1. So we're gonna go right here, and it's gonna be apply. It's the name of the exercise. Apply to 1, and then these things.
The
Things. Okay.
things. All right.
All right, so we press enter to save it, and wow, this is gonna come out really nice. So far, we got you know, this design, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
So let me stop this right here. Stop the recording.
Mr. Vasquez, we send you the basketball.
Yeah,
camp?
send it as a share link. You know, you just click on share.